Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Sel. Today's video is fridge restock plus pantry organization. We just went grocery shopping and now I'm going to be putting away everything that we got and try to clean and organize our kitchen. If you're in need of cleaning motivation and organizing ideas, I hope that this video inspire you to get up and tackle your own to-do list of house chore. Let's do this, friends. If you are new here and you enjoy watching home organization videos like this, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel along with my cleaning motivation and seasonal home decorating contents. Be sure to turn your notification bell on to get notified every single week with a brand new video. And don't forget to introduce yourself in the comment box below if you are new here. I would love to get to know you. We do our grocery shopping once a month from Walmart and Sam's Club, and when it's time to put away everything, I start with the freezer and then the food that goes in the fridge next, and then the last thing I tackle are the ones that goes in the pantry, since the food that goes in there are not really temperature sensitive, so I do that last. Here in our chest freezer, I use some white bins to categorize everything. So one of the bins have seafood items, the other one have all of our potatoes and fries, and then one of them have all of the chickens and so on and so forth. You get what I mean. And then on the very right side, there's a little bit of space, but I cannot put any basket there since it doesn't fit. So I just utilize the space by putting whatever doesn't go in one of the categories that we have, like the chow mein, the garlic breads are there, and then also some waffles. Moving on, in our fridge freezer, I keep all of our treats in here, like ice cream, popsicles, some frozen fruits. We also have some frozen meals and veggies here, some breakfast items like bacon and sausage, dinner rolls, and also some appetizer. To clean our fridge, I only ever use water vinegar mix. I do half and half ratio. I don't like any chemical around our food, so this is the only thing I literally use in here. And if I need to deep clean the fridge, then I take out all of the drawers or the shelf and then I put it in the sink and I wash it with water and soap so I can actually like completely rinse it. Like I said, we do our grocery shopping once a month, but for fruits and veggies, I go back to the store once a week to get some new ones since I don't like to buy a whole lot of them because they don't really last for a long time. So every week, I just go back and get new ones, and I'm okay with that because it doesn't really cost that much to get some of that, and I like that it's fresh every time. In this big drawer, I keep most of our dairy items and some deli meats. And then by the door, we have all of our condiments, butter, some whipped cream because it's too tall, it doesn't fit inside the fridge. On the other side of the door, we have some drinks. This space is too narrow, so I basically just put whatever I can fit here. I always get questions, where did I get these egg containers since I can fit a lot of eggs in here. I did got this from Walmart in-store. I could not find this online, so I can't put any link. And those eggs that you saw that I just took out, I'm going to be boiling them. My son loves hard-boiled eggs, especially in the morning, like for breakfast. I don't know, it's weird, but he does like hard-boiled eggs, so I always make sure I have some of those ready so that in case he asks for it, then we have some. For inside the fridge, I keep the eggs on top, some beverage, and also some bread or tortilla. If we have any of those, I like to keep them in the fridge, or at least some of the bread, not all of the bread. And then on the very left side middle, we have some fruit cups, yogurts, and then on the right side, I usually keep all of our leftovers. On the very bottom left side, we have the tray for if I need to defrost any meat. And then on the right bottom side, we have the beverage such as dairy and juice. It's now time to restock and organize the pantry. We don't have an actual walk-in pantry. We have some deep cabinets that we use for the pantry. And I love using these containers. This is the extra large bins from the Home Edit collection. I got them from Walmart. I do get lots of questions about these. So this is what I use to organize our pantry, because if you have deep cabinets, then you know it's a pain in the butt to organize those because they tend to get very deep and it's so hard to reach whatever is in the back. And these are the perfect size for that. So I really love this. I used to have some wiring baskets in here, but with those, sometimes you put like some small items and then they fall. So I like this much better. So I started putting this granola cereal in this container and then I realized it's not going to fit. So I decided to switch up the container with this cocoa cereal since I don't have a lot of that. And every time I refill this food canister, you guys, I always make sure the new ones goes on the bottom and then the old ones goes on top so that we can use those first. And then with the expiration dates, I like to write them on the bottom of the container with the chalk pen. If you notice we don't have canned goods in the pantry, it's because we keep them in this cabinet. They don't fit in the pantry because it's not really a big space in there. I mean, it's big but not big enough to fit all of this, so we have them in this separate cabinet. I'm in the process of cleaning and organizing our whole home and hoping to get done before the end of this year. And I know it sounds like a lot of time, but it comes by really fast. Like, I feel like it just turned New Year and now it's already March. So if you think about that, time really flies. I also have a full-time job outside of YouTube, so it's taking me a little longer than the time I would like to finish and get everything done sometimes. I'm usually catching up with regular house chores on my days off too, so yes, it is a lot of time, but sometimes I feel like I'm still chasing time. Anyway, as I was saying, after all that rumbling, I recently just started my home organization series, and if you enjoy this video, I'll have that playlist link in the description box below if you want to watch those videos next after this one and get some ideas, inspiration, and some more motivation. If you think we are all done, no, we are not, you guys. I also need to refill this fridge outside in our backyard. Yes, we have this in our backyard. I know most people have their extra fridge in the garage, but we don't have space for this in the garage. We actually put our cars in the garage instead of using it for storage. So we have this in here. Plus, I think it makes more sense to have this here because most of the items that we have here are barbecue items and our grill is here. So this is where we do that. And on the bottom of the fridge, we have all of our beverage. Let me know in the comments down below, where do you go grocery shopping and how often do you do it? And this is pretty much it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your almost at home or your to-do list of house chore. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this from me. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate you and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye friends!